Here we are driving the 90.
About got empty days, so you can just cross the waterway and catch me over there. I'll finish up that little dab after this round. Okay.
Start that again. Here's a little look through the 9000 series that we've been driving for the last few days. It's 360 horsepower, one of the smaller horsepowers probably of this series, but it does the job. There's plenty for what we're doing here at the minute anyway. No real dash like at home on the tractors. You have a bit of a readout here and something similar to the display you get at home as well, I suppose. There's no accelerator on the floor, just really a hand throttle. Your gears is just this tap it forward and back, forward and reverse, are located in these two positions. Your spool valves is worked on these buttons. The tractor is equipped with green star GPS. It's never really more than an inch or two out, depending. If you hit a rut in the field, it could fire you out a little bit, but in a few seconds it pulls straight back in that it's bang on dead straight. Just coming near the end now. At first beep lets you know that you're coming near the headland just to get ready for lifting, and it lets a longer beep now any second. There you go, and that's to let you know that it's time to lift her. Flick her switch, she lifts her out of the ground, and you just have to take her down. You line her up. That was the last position that she went down. She's roughly in around there. Click your auto switch, hit the switch forward, drops her down, and away you go. So simple as that.
You want me to stay out here and pick that up when you're done? I'm just going to jump right across here, Davey, and do this piece north of the house here. Okay.
As you can hear, every tractor, combine, lorry, every machine that they have is fitted with CB radios for keeping in touch, which is invaluable at just the way things is operated over here. What else can we say about the tractor? There's only one door. Going back to the 50 series. Ground speed is usually something around 6 miles per hour, depending. You might have to drop it back sometimes if you hit. There can be ruts in the field or dips in the field, and it'll be very, very heavy with clay in them spots, and the tractor starts dying down. Only once or twice in the whole day, and do what you had to see it that you'd have to drop it back, but as a rule she'll just plough on through it. Tractors all the time in 4-wheel drive. There's a diesel tank on it that it's like an oil tank from at home. I'd say it holds 800 litres or 1000 litres, and it'd be that awfully hard on fuel by the looks of things. It's going the whole day. It's probably going now, well, probably going about 6 hours, and it's only dropped down a few notches on the gauge. You can see it there. Maybe you can't, the sun's kind of playing havoc with the camera there, but you can see on the outside there just about with the sun again, the air intake and exhaust are located together. There's a bucket of an exhaust on it. Bonnet like a kitchen table. Seats in the tractor are leather. It's comfortable tractor. There's a different suspension on it than what we've got at home. It works well anyway. That's basically it.
got along all right, didn't you, Lloyd?
Yeah, that fella's awful nice, except he talked kind of bad about you. Moisture was 21.6.
Well, don't believe everything that guy tells you down there, Lloyd.
All right, I'll take her with a grain of salt.